Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of smartphone photography with our rundown of the top camera phones of 2025. We're in February now, which means a bunch of new phones have dropped, each one claiming to have the best camera. Well, we're here to break it all down for you. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just looking for a phone that captures stunning everyday moments, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple continues its legacy of delivering exceptional camera phones, and the 16 Pro Max is no exception. With its triple 48-megapixel camera system, you're getting amazing versatility and detail. The 24mm f/1.8 lens on that main camera is a beast in low light. And let's not forget about video. The iPhone 16 Pro Max shoots up to 4K at 120 frames per second in slow-mo. That means buttery smooth footage, even when things get super slow. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone is known for its incredible zoom capabilities and vibrant photos. And this year, Samsung's really upped the ante with a 200-megapixel main camera sensor. That's right, 200 megapixels. This thing is a beast for capturing insane detail, especially when it comes to food photography. Plus, the S24 Ultra comes packed with pro features and shooting modes, including a dedicated astrophotography mode. Now, let's talk about the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Google's Pixel phones have always been known for their computational photography prowess, and the Pixel 9 Pro takes it to a whole new level. This phone is all about using AI to enhance your photos and give you some really cool creative options. With features like Reimagine, which lets you add or remove elements from your photos after you've taken them, and Add Me, which makes group shots a breeze, the Pixel 9 Pro is a game changer for smartphone photography enthusiasts. Moving on to a more budget-friendly option, we have the iPhone 15. Now, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of its Pro siblings, but it still packs a serious punch when it comes to photo and video quality. The 48-megapixel main camera with that wide f1.6 aperture is going to give you great low-light performance. Plus, Apple's camera interface is super intuitive, making it easy for anyone to pick up and start shooting high-quality photos and videos. For those who are on a tighter budget, the Google Pixel 8a is a fantastic option. Google's really nailed the formula for delivering flagship-level camera performance at a mid-range price point. You're getting a 12-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, both of which benefit from Google's incredible AI processing. The Pixel 8a proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to capture amazing photos and videos. Let's talk about the OnePlus 12. This phone is all about delivering a unique photography experience. OnePlus has always marched to the beat of its own drum when it comes to software, and the camera app on the OnePlus 12 is no different. It's packed with creative filters and shooting modes, and the image processing is tuned to deliver more dramatic and artistic results, especially with portraits and selfies. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a refinement of what Samsung does best. Big, beautiful displays and incredible cameras. You've got the same 200MP main camera sensor as the S24 Ultra, but Samsung's made some improvements to the image processing, resulting in even better image quality. The S25 Ultra is a true do-it-all phone for photography enthusiasts who want the absolute best. Last but definitely not least, we have the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This phone is an absolute beast when it comes to photography, and it's not afraid to show it. It's got a quad camera system on the back, and each one of those cameras is packing some serious hardware. We're talking a 1-inch 50MP Sony sensor on the main camera, 3x and 4.3x optical zoom lenses, and a 50MP ultra-wide. This phone is designed for those who demand the absolute best image quality and the most versatile camera system on the market. And now, let's talk about a surprising contender in the camera phone arena, the Vivo X200. This phone has been flying under the radar, but it's packing some serious camera tech that deserves the spotlight. The Vivo X200 boasts a revolutionary 108MP gimbal-stabilized main camera. Yes, you heard that right. Gimbal stabilization, not just your regular OIS. This means ultra-smooth video recording even while you're on the move. It's a game changer for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. But that's not all. The X200 also features a periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom. Imagine capturing distant subjects with incredible clarity and detail. Plus, the 50MP ultra-wide camera ensures your landscape shots are nothing short of breathtaking. What sets the Vivo X200 apart is its advanced AI capabilities. The phone uses AI to enhance low-light photography, producing stunningly clear and vibrant images even in the darkest environments. The AI also intelligently adjusts settings based on the scene, so you get the perfect shot every time without any hassle. The Vivo X200 is a testament to how innovative camera technology can elevate your smartphone photography experience. It's definitely a phone to watch out for if you're serious about capturing life in its full glory. So there you have it, folks, our rundown of the top camera phones of 2025, from the insane 200MP sensor on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to the AI-powered Google Pixel 9 Pro. There's a phone out there for every kind of photographer. Which one of these camera phones caught your eye? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed